Searching things on Google. Relatively boring, but also sometimes needed and pretty simple. However, when you start earning money by doing it, things suddenly get a lot more exciting. Before we get into that, welcome back to your online money traffic. In today's video, we'll discuss how to make money by searching on Google. Watch till the end and put on your notification. Despite the fact that there are several different strategies to make money online, most of them are useless. With the exception of those who are self-employed as freelancers, you will only be compensated in little amounts for the services you provide to other individuals or organizations. Personally, I've come to the fact that there are a host of new websites popping up all the time that claim to pay you for easy duties that you don't have to do. One of these is the sales of articles and other forms of material. It's possible to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars in a matter of months if you save the material you've written and post it on your own website. It is never a long-term undertaking for anyone to write content, and I honestly don't believe that anyone would begin to see the articles they created ranking in Google and earning millions of dollars each month for the company that published them if they did so. And it is, at this moment, that the game's look turns to that of a modern era. A dream come true. Money Pantry. Money Pantry is a personal finance blog that focuses on personal financial themes. It was founded in 2013 by Saeed Darabi with the purpose of going live and providing high-quality material for their platform, and it has now achieved that goal. Money Pantry is headquartered in Florissant, Missouri, which acts as the company's corporate headquarters. Money Pantry also has a Facebook fan page which now has over 1.4 thousand likes, which demonstrates the company's widespread appeal. The financial services, fintech, and Internet of Things businesses are all part of the Money Pantry Industries group of industries. If you appreciate writing about personal finance and supporting people in making and saving money, Money Pantry is looking for guest writers like you to contribute to their blog. If you are interested, please contact them. They will pay you up to $150 for each post you make on their website. A quick and clear method will guide you through getting started with the Money Pantry system. Typing is something you will need to be proficient in because this occupation involves the use of keyboarding skills. To complete this task, you'll need a computer with an internet connection, as well as the ability to approach industrial issues from a range of perspectives and points of view. Seek up the Contribute link at the bottom of their website, which will direct you to their submission page where you can begin writing for their blog scroll. Simply send an HTML version of your article to their business email address, which is editor@moneypantry.com, and they will publish it as soon as they can after receiving it. The words Money Pantry Guest Post must appear in the subject line of your email in order for them to know who you are and how to respond to your inquiry. Since stated on their website, they will not accept any content that does not include both the topic title and HTML formats, as it will not be possible to validate any of the pieces you send until all of these components are included in your submission. It is also recommended that anyone who is interested in earning money for their work keep in mind that access to content is only available for 1 to 2 weeks before it is officially launched and published, according to the editor-in-chief at the Money Pantry. Your payment will be made as soon as your work has been posted to the Money Pantry website. The amount you receive will vary based on how much time you are ready to dedicate to the post, between $150 and less than $150. The MoneyPantry.com website has a common theme that many of the readers there enjoy in-depth tutorials, which means that if this is what you wanted to give, you would be able to charge more money for it. It is recommended that posts be at least 700 words in length, but that they be between 1,000 and 2,000 words in length. Money Pantry will pay you for your content via PayPal as soon as it is published on the Money Pantry website, and you will receive payment immediately. By the way, have you ever heard of Money Pantry? Let us know in the comments section down below. Hot or not? As a result of our investigation into the site's mechanics, I'm confident in stating that the site is legitimate and that customers will earn a substantial amount of money as a result of participating in the offer. For the purpose of summary, Money Pantry provides a means for writers to make money. Becoming a member of the site is absolutely free of charge as well. Furthermore, Money Pantry has a good business plan, and its payments are processed in a legal and legitimate manner. In other words, Money Pantry is a more profitable way to make money than taking surveys or performing tiny jobs on the internet. At this site, for lack of a better phrase, you may truly construct a life for yourself. There are, however, some drawbacks to this approach. It's not always straightforward to figure out how to register for something. Furthermore, there is a scarcity of knowledge about the full scope of the opportunity, although there is one page on articles and the way they want them written. But if this website doesn't convince you, we've got yet another one for you. It's called Vibrant Life. Health articles for families are published bi-monthly on Vibrant Life, which is a Christian-based magazine with a tight publication schedule. While their nutrition section adheres to the vegan lifestyle, it also gives readers with suggestions on how to consume more nutritional meals. It is anticipated that they will pay between $100 and $300 for articles. Aside from not providing much information about themselves or about who established the website, the www.vibrantlife.com website goes into great length about their theories on how spirituality can in fact assist in the cleansing of the soul. According to Vibrant Life, they seek to communicate health ideas in a contemporary manner that is convenient for those who are busy. We want to provide busy people with practical, affordable suggestions that can be accommodated into their busy schedules while also assisting them in the prevention and treatment of disease. Healthy foods for less than 50 cents, 5-minute health boosters, 4-ingredient meals that are also healthy, the benefits of Sabbath rest, and simple exercises you can perform at home without equipment or a gym membership are just a few of the themes that will be covered there. The first step is to use the Google Search Console and type in the phrases, "How to write for Vibrant Life." And once you've done that, you'll be presented with a list of links to help you get started. I want you to click on the first link that will state Writer's Guidelines for vibrantlife.com. And when you click on that link, it will take you to a single page with the instructions. This is the page that will be critical for you to read because it outlines exactly what they are looking for in the first place. Get paid somewhere between $100 and $300 for each original or not-so-original article you create. You will be reimbursed once your essay has been accepted for publication if you duplicate early articles, which is not difficult to do. Also, make sure to write your thoughts about Vibrant Life in the comment section. The following are some of the most convincing advantages. With a long history in the writing industry, Vibrant Life has established a solid reputation as a company. Additionally, Vibrant Life has a powerful social media network and a well-designed website, as well as excellent working conditions for performers who want to work with them. It's not highly suggested to write for external businesses if you do not have an online business of your own. A decent review or article may take some time to produce, but once it is published on a website, that piece of content will remain online for an extended period of time, potentially producing a range of different income streams for the website that hosted the content. What do you think about these websites? Do you think it's worth using them for making money? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos on making money online. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.